Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to find origin in Autocad 2020. So first we have to bring menu bar. So here we are typing menu bar and putting here value 1. So we'll get menu bar at the top. So now click on format, we will get point style. So this is the one way to bring the point style dialogs box. Other way, we can type DDP type and right here we will get this point style. So we can choose any one. Here I choose this. So okay. Then I have to go for a points. So in draw I can go for points, single points. So here I have to specify a points. It is 0, 0. So clicking on enter, pressing on enter. Now we can type Z and then enter and then E. Instead I can click on right way in zoom extent. Here clicking on zoom extent, I get this. So this intersection of X and Y, it is actually 0, 0 origin. Now we have to identify. So we type ID, then enter. So I have to specify point. Already we know the points. So clicking on these points. But here I am not getting 0, 0 because we need to change something here. Here we have to put node tick. Then it will respond. Now it will be okay. See, now it is clicking on the right points. So this is showing X equal to 0, Y equal to 0. Z already it is 0 because it is the 2D plan. So Z is 0 always here. Now another thing we can see, there is a 4 quadrants. So in the first quadrant, if we put a circle, we can see the center, X and Y value will be positive. Or if we go for this one, here I am putting one circle. Here X will be positive, Y will be negative. So clicking on center, first I have to select the ID. Yes, need to check ID, then we can see here. Here we are taking this ID. Then clicking on center, we get the points. You see, yes. So X equal to plus 100, Y equal to minus 50 point something. So here Y value negative. Again on this, the first quadrant, here X and Y both are positive. So making on circle, if we click on center, better to go on ID. So if we click on center, it will show like that. X positive, Y also positive value. And Z is 0 always here because it is 2D plan. We got this here too, yeah. This is the center and here there is a 2 circle. Now we can put another 2 circle in the left side to see. It's not a hard things, but to know only, just I am showing. Here we know X will be negative, Y will be positive. So here ID, if we click the, center, so here x is negative, y positive. So in the same way, if we go down, we have 1 remaining, and here also you're putting circle, same size. Just I'm showing here the center points, because as we draw 0 0, so we are trying to see in the 4 corners, 4 quadrant value, how it comes. Is it exact? Both are negative, x negative, y negative. We can see it here in the points. So here we found that the center in the, there is a 4 circle in the center, and this center is 0 0. This one 0 0. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.